Hello, I'm Kenny. I'm 33. I'm from Oklahoma. I'm here at the Arkana Spiritual Center at the word of one of my good friends who suggested I come here. I signed up through the Heroic Hearts Project and was selected to come here for 2 weeks to receive treatment for PTSD. I served in the military for just about 10 years total between active duty and reserves. I was in the infantry. My MOS was 11 Charlie Mortars. I deployed to both Iraq and Afghanistan, and I carry a lot of weight with me from those times. I left active duty in 2012, and I've been struggling to integrate back into civilian life ever since. And my issues from the war brought a lot of problems to my personal life. I've been here for just a week now, and I can say that in the last 7 days, the weight that I carry from these things has just been lifted immensely from my shoulders, it feels like. After just a few ceremonies, I feel like that I'm confronting all of these issues that I've had through the years, and that they are finally going to be leaving my presence whenever I leave Arkana, and I can go home and actually go back to living a normal life. I think that reaching out to my friend that suggested I come here was probably the best decision I've ever made. I don't think I would have come here if I hadn't have had that lucky chance to have someone who had been here before me. I had never heard of this. I was never aware of this kind of treatment. I've gone to the VA. They loaded me down with pills. Didn't want to listen to my problems. They just wanted to medicate me and keep me, silent, if you will, and just try and get me to not think about it. And it really just made things worse. I don't think that the United States is doing enough for the veterans to combat these issues after we come home, especially, for people in my field. I experienced a massive amount of trauma. So I think my advice to you, if you're on the fence about coming here and getting any kind of healing, don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. Don't listen to anyone who says that this is crazy, that this type of medicine doesn't work or anything. Take the leap. Take the leap. Come down here, try it for yourself. It's going to be hard. Prepare correctly. And when you come home, if you're like me, you will feel better.